coaching center here.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Singh and I am taking social science and English for the class 6 and class 9 coaching.
Shreya, as you have spent enough time here, how do you find the atmosphere of the coaching center?
The atmosphere of the coaching is very educative and all the students are eagerly taking initiatives to learn the new concept, and they are very active and they are learning from their peers also, like from the other students. So the environment overall is very good over here.
How do you find the students here, particularly those who have been getting coaching here, coaching center? How do you find them?
The students are very curious to learn the new things, like especially whenever you are taking a new topic, they are curious to answer, they are curious to learn the new things. And as I mentioned before also, the students are not only learning from the teachers, they are also learning from themselves, among themselves, from sharing.
One more question I'm just going to ask you. Why do the parents they should get admissions here for their students? What is the reason?
The need to take admission here, and especially in coaching, the main reason is that students learn time management, develop their skills and enhance the concept. Like for example, in the normal classes they learn the academics, whereas in the coaching classes they learn and prepare themselves for the competitive level, so that whenever they are not only at this level but whenever they go for the higher education, they are able to face the competitive with the boldness.
For example, if they'll grow up and they have to appear, they have to face the NEET or JEE, etc.
Yes, sir.
They can benefit right from the beginning while studying in this small coaching here.
Yes, sir.
That would be beneficial.
This will be beneficial to them. Like as we already know that when the building, the base of the building is strong, then the building is strong. Similarly, when the students from the youngerhood, like from class 5th, from 6th, if they learn from the childhood, they will be able to face the competitive in the higher level very easily.
As you have been teaching here two subjects, like a social study and English,
Yes.
you are more comfortable or confident over teaching English, as you have been basically you have been a teacher of English here.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the role of English subject in competition?
The role of English subject is like,
Particularly grammar you might be teaching there.
yes sir, like mainly grammar, comprehension part, vocabulary. These are the basic, these are the main important topic which is very beneficial for the competitive level in English subject mainly.
For which colleges, universities, entrance examination is taking place here? Means you are preparing the student for what?
For Navodaya Sainik School, JMU,
And Jamia, etc.
yes sir.
etc. These are the basic things.